where hate used to be rare, now you see it everywhere. Man wants to be radical and take away life, behaving like an animal, you see it in his eyes. Load up his weapon, walk in, aim, 51 body. Count like a computer game, and we wanna share the video to what entertain. Lost in the crowd watching life on the stage, it's a terrible state. Yesterday was heartbreak, today she back on YouTube putting makeup on her face, and the men are all the same, but I don't complain. We don't help each other, we the slander and shame. Do something good, they forget about your name. When you do something bad, watch how fast you find fame. Inside the body, there's a piece of flesh. If this flesh is good, then also is the rest. Verily it is the heart. What a life y'all lost, sitting here wishing that I could press restart.
People killing, people dying, shooting hurt and you hear them crying. Do you practice what you preach, or do you turn the other cheek? Allah, help us, send us guidance from above. Cause people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
What happened to the love and what happened to the peace? We got wars in the streets and wars in the Middle East. Gunshots, bombs drop, people flee. And now we have millions of refugees that are scattered over